Hello everyone, this is Prakash from Logoland. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are gonna learn how to create very common symbol you may have used in your life project with a client like business card and letterhead. So if you really want to learn the whole procedure out of it, so you are requested to stay with me from the starting to till end of this video. And if you didn't subscribe my channel so far, you're requested to click on that red button down there and subscribe my channel. If you really found this video very useful to you, don't forget to give a like. So I'm gonna see you in the video in Illustrator. Thank you. Let's start this. So let's start this. So first I'm going to create location symbol, which is very basic. So to create a location symbol, you may have noticed many time location symbol on the internet. Let me create. I like so. Okay, let's start how do we do this. So first of all, it is very simple. Let's create a circle. Okay, let's get a circle. Now we need to create a triangle just beneath, just under this. Okay, so take a star and so how I did this, actually I'm just using up arrow and down arrow key on my keyboard to decrease the point, to increase the point. So I need to decrease the point up to 3, so I'm just pressing down arrow key. Okay, let's see. So just to reflect this, come over here in the property, reflect vertically. So oh, it is not properly angled. Let's set it to 0. I think we need to make it proper angle. Let's reflect. Still, let's delete this. So reflection tool. Sorry, rectangle tool. Here, press P on your keyboard, and somewhere here in the center you have to click to add a point. Now we don't need this point because we want to make it a triangle. So reflect this. Okay, so let's let's jump into the outline mode so that we can see what is the actual real picture. So we have to snap like so. Okay, take it down. Okay, so still I'm not happy with the position and the snapping going on over here. So let's take it a bit up there. So grab this and snap like this. Okay, so I'm not pretty concerned about this half part. I'm going to create this one perfect, then I will reflect it. Let's see how we do it. So select this shape, and better to this time I'm not going to use Pathfinder tool. I'm just going to use shape builder tool, which I covered in the last class, so that we can have a little practice out of it. So shift M to access shape builder tool and just click and drag across from top to bottom to merge them. So what I have to do is just take a pen tool, create a straight line. I have to make it the center of it. Let's see. I have to snap actually here. Okay. Now select line plus this shape, both element in one go. Let's take again shape builder tool. So this time I need just minus under this arrow because I just want to delete this part. So hold the alt key and drag. Just get rid of this. Now we are going to use the reflect tool. That's why I already covered all simple and basic tool, so that the next video I would be creating little advanced thing. Then you should have been already aware of those things. So I already covered rotation, reflection, and shape builder tool, pathfinder, everything I already covered in my last video. If you don't check and you really missed out watching the last video, you can go and check the description box down there where you can find the link according as per those video actually. So select this object. Now we need to reflect, we need to create a mirror horizontally. What we have to do is just select the object, press O on your keyboard to access the reflect tool. So I need to reflect across this line, okay, horizontally. So while pressing alt key, I will click here, maybe on this line anywhere, okay, copy. Now select both object and unite them with our pathfinder. Somewhere here I'm having some issue, maybe due to the point over here. Let's get rid of this point. If you have, generally we don't have such point, so I'm not happy with the shape came right now. Obviously we have to edit it. So with the with the help of anchor point tool, this one, what we can do is click and drag little, okay. Actually I just want it to be little curve. It should be little curve like so. Let it go. What we can do is to select this one, press P on your keyboard and then drag it down. Delete that point and drag it down. So that's okay. If you want this line to be flat like so, like this, so you can have it flat, but I just want it to be curved. So I think we can perform the same task over here by just deleting this and drag it down. Up now there's an issue you may face, like this curve are not same because we did it separately and we did this separately. So in order to avoid this situation, we can again get rid of this part and copy that. So let's click and copy, make it to center. Let's make it to the center of this. Select both the object. Actually I'm finding this shape is going very well according to me. Just I want to get rid of this. I know you know that you know how to use the shape builder tool. So I'm just take reflect tool and click somewhere here and copy. Now merge. So now we need to take a circle. Let's take a circle, and so I'm going to add any other color. So we have to place somewhere here. Now take it up. So if I placed over here, that means I centralize this, okay. Now take it up somewhere here. Select both the shape, take shape builder tool again, activate it, holding the alt key, just get rid of this center point. Here we go. We have created location symbol. So we are done with location symbol. Now let's create email symbol. Okay, we know how that look like. So first we have what we have to do is, so create a rectangle. Okay, I just want it to be a triangle shape. So it is very simple to convert it into a triangle shape. So what you have to do is take a pen tool somewhere in the center. You have to make out the center, then click. Now we don't need this point. Let's delete this point so that we can have it as triangle. So I just want it to be having stroke color, not field color. So let's switch it, and let's increase its size of let's increase it even more. It has been so too much. I think 40 will be the appropriate. Okay, select this one. Now what we have to do is just copy this, very simple, copy and paste in front. Then we have to reflect it. Okay, now take it down, so drag it down, so drag it down in such a way so that you are leaving this triangle covering some part of this triangle. Okay, it should be look like, if you are following along me, so you have to make sure what you're doing should match to my design. Okay, now actually vertically it is going more, so I think we should increase size horizontally, and let's decrease the overall design size. Now take a rectangle, so we have to snap from this point to this point. Very simple. Let's get out of outline mode. So here you are observing something mashing up, something problematic going on. Corners have been disrupted, so I don't want this corner to be like so. So to tackle this situation, so what we have to do is select all the object. So let's see. Okay, so select all the elements all together in one go and come into property panel, and let's go to the stroke property. Here you can check this round cap and round corner join on. So here we go. So let's increase its size horizontally more. Let's decrease it a little bit. This is appropriate according to me. Now what we have to do is, so everything going on, everything going very well, but I don't want this line. Okay, from this point to this point, I just want to get rid of this line. So what I have to do is, so let me give you a tip. Don't, first of all, what you have to avoid, maybe you are selecting all the shape and taking the help of shape builder tool and pressing minus. Okay, it will gonna look like so. So don't do this. So what you have to do is select first, make a copy out of it. Okay, by pressing alt key and drag, select and convert this into expand. Sorry, convert, you have to convert this into shape by using the expand command. Okay, now you can go and select all the element and press shift M to access the shape builder tool, and press and hold the alt command on your keyboard and then delete this part. Here we go. So that's so simple. Of course it is so simple. I hope you are getting actually what I am teaching you. So this is the one way to create what we can say, I'm missing the name, Gmail symbol actually, sorry. So I'm just copying this and putting it apart. So this is the one way. You can have outline also. So we don't want to have outline, you have the fill color. So select this one and merge. Okay, select this one. Now we are going to create shape here. Okay, in the last class when I was teaching you shape builder tool, I taught you how to create a shape with the help of shape builder tool. So we are going to repeat the task again here. Select the shape, take shape builder tool, and whichever color you want, just take it's going to be temporary. Just click here, here. Okay, now let's put it apart. Now this is how you can create Gmail. Merge them up. Okay, so in this case you want the location symbol as location symbol made up of stroke outline like so. So just copy this, and we have to convert the fill tool into so fill color. We have to switch the fill color into stroke like so, and let's increase its size. So while creating these symbols, because you have to make sure the stroke value, the thickness, everything, the overall size of the shape should be same as, and say should be same and equivalent in all the symbol, all the icon, so that they can look identical. So I have created this one, okay. But I don't. I actually in the starting when I started creating this shape, I did not have the idea about what was the stroke size. So I have to have the assumption right now. So select both the shape. I think in order to match the thickness of this, so I have to, let's try 30. So this is my recommendation for you. Whenever you create in the starting, you should notice what value you had given. So I think it is still more. Let's have 26. Okay. I'm considering this is appropriate. Maybe you can decrease this value up to 22. So that's good. Okay. Now you have to convert this into a shape and then make them one. I think it's done. Yeah, it's done already one. So this is how you can use these icons, and maybe you can go for icon in this manner as well. Or maybe you can go for confine this icon in a circle, like so. You may have noticed so many time on visiting card, letterhead, you may have seen some icon uh, surrounded with the circle. So let's do it. So we have to make sure the circle stroke thickness must be same as the thickness of this location symbol stroke. So I'm going to have like so. We can let's copy and place. So in the next class, I will be walking you through the whole option about alignment and distribution. They will be very helpful. So this is how you can use. Maybe you just copy this and just get rid of this one and place this one. Okay. If I go and copy and let's add this one. Sorry. So let's place into the center, and then you may have noticed one thing. Whenever I drag my object and I just let them to be here, they just get to the center because I have this turned on. So you have to make sure in the starting, before you go to start work in Illustrator, first thing which you have to do is, that is smart guide. This should be turned on in the starting. So this is how you can use. So depends how much thickness you want. Okay. So that's all for this video. More icons left to cover. So in the next video, I'm going to cover how to create icon for the telephone symbol, and maybe for website symbol. So and other symbols. So in the next video, I'm going to see you. Thank you. Bye. I hope you liked my video and found it very useful to you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my channel right now if you didn't. And let me know what you have learned from my today's video by commenting in the comment box. And I'm gonna see you in my next video very soon with new concept, maybe with new tool. So stay safe. Goodbye.